do
Alright, do your
should
intro.
we intro before? Yeah, we should intro before. Hey guys, it's me. That's definitely not my intro. What's my intro? Hey guys, and welcome back to HannahsHawtGlam, and today I have a guest, my friend Nathan, and we're just going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge today, and I'm kind of freaking out about it. What about you?
I've done it before. I have it on my channel, and literally I only got to half an eyeliner. So we'll see how far I get today. Hopefully better, but
yeah, I'm not even doing eyeliner. I can't. There's no way. It takes me like 10 minutes to do eyeliner.
we should do just full glam, like as far as we can.
Okay.
5-minute full glam.
Okay, okay, let's do it. And that's definitely not an hour and 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes and start. Oh my god. Jeez. Oh my god.
I'm not even gonna mention any of my products that I'm using because there's no time for that with foundation
I
oiling.
totally forgot to spool you. Why am I like this? I don't even have an eyebrow.
Where's my mirror?
I don't even have my brush on my brows. God. I guess I'll just use Cabral today then. This is freaking me out.
My hair is in the way.
Right?
And I have hair bands right in front of me.
I don't know how people can do their makeup, and it takes me like 30 to 45 minutes, sometimes an hour doing makeup.
Okay, when I go to work, I give myself 2 hours.
Me too.
2 hours before.
I just can't. I can't do makeup fast. I used to be able to just do it fast in high school, but I can't. You know what? The brows are just gonna have to be kind of bad.
4 minutes. No. Oh, 3.
Full food. 3:50.
Okay, concealer. Okay, gotta get this out.
How did it take me over a minute just to do that? Like, that's so weird.
Are you doing your brows first?
I always do my brows first, even though I forgot my brow brush because I forgot everything and it's not good.
This is gonna be a hot mess, everyone, just to let you know.
I've never felt so like kudos. Freaking kudos to anyone who can do their makeup in 5 minutes. I can't.
I'm feeling so rushed right now.
Dead. Do you do your face first or do you do your eyes first?
Depends. If I'm doing a look with a lot of glitter, I'll do my eyes first. But
I always do my eyes first.
okay, time to set. Where's my brush?
God, this is.
I'm not even gonna like use a setting powder.
I have to. I can't. It's like a part of my life. Like I have to. My life first.
All right, contour.
Oh god. Why did you decide to do this?
Because it's fun.
I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh. I didn't spray my brush before I put the shimmer on, so it's like barely even there. What is going on? Man, I did not prime enough on my eyes. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I just swiped my brush.
My brushes all just like fell. Okay, you know what?
Come on, get it together.
You know what? I'm just gonna do my face part. That's gonna take literally like 5 seconds.
Alright, time to bronze. I'm literally just throwing things everywhere.
I just can't. God, I just got. As long as I have foundation and concealer on, it'll be fine.
You're gonna look washed out. Why am I putting my
Wait, that's 1
brushes
minute
away?
and 30 seconds left.
Okay.
How? How? I don't understand. A mascara is gonna have to just not happen today. I don't get how time went by so fast. Where does time go?
time to even curl
if
my
I ever have to do this for like an event or like work,
52 seconds left.
I would not. I'm just not. I can't set my face. This is honestly, I used the wrong brush from it. I was gonna be really upset. Which one do you have? Oh my gosh, 6 seconds. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Where's my brush? Oh my god.
How do you even get to highlight?
I highlighted one side of my face. If I hadn't dropped my brushes, I think I would have been fine.
You can't believe you dropped your brushes.
I didn't even need those brushes. I don't even know why I freaked out picking them up. Well.
Okay,
what else did you get done?
I got my foundation, concealer, contour, bronzer, eyeshadow, mascara, a lip. I used mascara for my brows.
Well,
this is the final look.
Yeah, I definitely don't recommend following along because probably won't get the best look out of it.
Check out our Instagrams, which will be linked in the description box down below.
And they'll be on the screen somewhere too. Underneath him and underneath me will be our Instagrams.
Because you can see our actual talent.
Yeah.
What we actually can do. This was just for fun.
Yeah. And go check out his channel. Link down below. Go check out his videos. He does really cool videos. Go check out some of my other videos if you want to see an actual look done. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.